Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert a strike-through text in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just locate whatever text you want to strike through, and then go up to the Format tab at the top, and then you want to select the text option from the drop-down list and select strike through. Alternatively, you can also select the Alt, Shift, and the number 5 key combination on your keyboard as well to apply a strike through that option. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. And you can just do the same thing in reverse if you want to undo it. And that's pretty much it. So, like I said, hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.